In the first question, it is asked which of the following are polynomials in one variable. Here, the x square, x, these are variable terms. The rule is that the power of the variable should be a whole number. So here, the power of x is 2, power of x is 1. So these are whole number. So it is a polynomial. In this case, power of y is 2, and I can write it here as y raised to power 0. So yes, it is also a polynomial in one variable. But in the third question, it is given 3 under root t plus t under root 2. The under root t can be written as t raised to power 1 by 2. As we can see here, 1 by 2 is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial in one variable. For the next part, it is written y plus 2 upon y. It can be written as y plus 2 y raised to power minus 1. As we can see here, minus 1 is not a whole number, so it is also not a polynomial in one variable. Next is x raised to power 10, y raised to power 3, t raised to power 50. Here 10, 3 and 50 all are whole numbers, but there are 3 variables and we are asked in the question of one variable. So here also our answer will be no. If in the question it is asked which of these are polynomials, so this will also be our answer. But since it is written as one variable, so we are going to write here no. In question number 2, it is asked write the coefficient of x square. Here 2 plus x square plus x. So the number written along with x square is 1. So the coefficient of x square will be 1. Next is 2 minus x square plus x cube. I can write it as 2 plus minus 1 into x square plus x cube. So the number written along with x square is minus 1. So the coefficient of x square will be minus 1. Basically, the coefficient is the term written along with the variable it is asked in the question. Next, pi by 2 x square plus x. The number written along with x square is pi by 2. So here the coefficient will be pi by 2. But in this case, under root 2x minus 1, there is no term of x square. So can I write it as 0 x square plus under root 2x minus 1? So the coefficient of x square will be 0. Coefficient here is 0. In question number 3, it is asked write the degree of the given polynomials. What do you mean by degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable in the given polynomial. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. X raised to power 3, x raised to power 2, x raised to power 1. Highest power here is 3. So it is a polynomial of degree 3. 4 minus y square. Y raised to power 2, highest power here is 2. 5t minus under root 7, t raised to power 1, degree is 1. But it is a constant term. In the case of constant term, degree is 0. Because I can write it as 3 raised to power x, 3x raised to power 0. And anything raised to power 0 is 1. So it is also 3. So degree of a constant term is always 0. In the next question, it is asked classify the given polynomial as linear, quadratic or cubic. So how we are going to classify it? When the degree of the polynomial is 1, we write it as linear polynomial. When the degree of the polynomial is 2, we call it quadratic polynomial, and when the degree of the polynomial is 3, it is known as cubic polynomial. So first we are going to find out the degrees. X raised to power 2, x raised to power 1, highest power here is 2. X raised to power 1, x raised to power 3, highest power here is 3. Y raised to power 1, y raised to power 2, and here y raised to power 0. Highest power here is also 2. 1 plus x, x raised to power 1. Here also t raised to power 1, r raised to power 2, raised to power 3. First, we have found out the degrees of the given polynomial, then write according to this rule. Here is 2, so I am going to write it as quadratic. 3, so it is cubic. Again quadratic. Linear, quadratic, and here it is cubic.